Hey guys, I'm Anand, your tech guide from Tech Store, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the process to disassemble and upgrade the Lenovo Ideapad E41-15 series of laptops. Now these are AMD A6 variants, and anything that starts with a E41 and ending with a 15 or 17 will have the same process whatsoever. So let's do it. Now if your laptop is something that looks like this on the top, and once you open it up, this is the way it looks. It's an old laptop, it's around 2016-17 Lenovo variant. On the sides, this is the way it looks, and if the base looks like this, you'll be able to replace it. After watching this video, you will be able to replace the battery, the CMOS cell, the hard drive, replace it with the SSD, remove the DVD writer and put a HDD caddy, and upgrade the RAM. Literally almost everything that you want to do with your Lenovo Ideapad laptop. Alright, so first thing first, we need to flip the laptop and remove all the screws that you can see. So for people who want to remove the DVD writer, they just need to remove this one screw over here and just remove the DVD writer like this. So if you want to replace it with a HDD caddy bay, that is if you want to add a secondary hard drive to your laptop, then take a universal caddy of 9.5 mm and replace it with this particular thing. Or you can take a 3.5 SATA DVD writer and replace the DVD writer. There are these two screws that you have to remove. You want to remove the base. Now all the screws have been removed. You just need to flip the laptop now. Now for people who want to replace the keyboard only, remember there are only two screws that you need to remove. You need not go all the way through. These are just the two screws that you need to remove here. And take a spooger like this and start protruding. And the keyboard will give away. So this is the keyboard that you need to buy if you want to replace the keyboard. This is the way the keyboard is. This is the part code over here. You need to remove this screw here which is attached to the touchpad. Take a triangular prier like this and start protruding from the sides. Now remember that you have to open from the part where the VGA and the Ethernet are and move this thing out. Remember the battery is connected inside, so once you remove it, just don't pull it out hard because the battery is still connected inside. As you can see, this cable is connected over here. Now you just need to pull this cable out and the base will be out with the battery. Now people who want to replace the battery need to watch this very carefully. Remove this screw over here and this screw, and then the battery will come out. It's a very interesting design, complicated also but interesting. So this is the battery that you need to replace. The battery is a 14.4 volt 32 watt hours 2200 mAh and the battery part code is L15S4A01. This is the battery that you need to buy if you want to replace the battery of the Lenovo E4150. So this is the way the innards of the Lenovo E4115 look. And this is the RAM, this is the CMOS cell, Wi-Fi chip, processor fan, VGA connecting cable, the hard drive. So there is absolutely no M.2 NVMe SSD slot that this laptop has. So we'll start with the RAM first. Just need to use your two thumb fingers. It has got only one RAM bay, so you can maximum upgrade up to 16 GB at the max, nothing beyond that. Just take these two thumb fingers and remove it like this, and you will have the RAM in hand. So you need to buy a 4 GB, 8 GB or 16 GB DDR3L low voltage 12800S, that is 1600 megahertz laptop RAM. So the type can be 1R into 8 as it is mentioned over here, and take a similar RAM and just insert it like this. People who have a issue with the time and date of this laptop, say after buying 4 to 5 years from the time you have bought it, you just need to remove this CMOS cell here. Just need to press it like this from here and it will come out. You need to buy a CR2032 CMOS cell which you need to buy, and just take the cell and put it like this and press it from the top. To remove the hard drive, we need to remove this USB daughter board. We ideally don't advise you to remove this cable connector here, the strip. Now remove the hard drive. So you can buy a 2.5 SATA SSD or hard drive of up to 1 terabyte for this particular laptop, and SSD also up to 1 terabyte can be purchased and you can install it. Now you need to remove this frame also. The frame is held, these are 1, 2 and 3 and 4 screws which are holding onto the frame inside. So once you remove this frame, the hard drive will come out and you can put another hard drive and you can very well use it. Coming to the Wi-Fi chip, just remove this stick ring over here, and you need to remove these two antenna cables and remove this screw, and you can replace the Wi-Fi chip of this laptop also. This is the processor fan. If you want to just clean up the fan, you need to remove this one screw over here and the fan will be out. Just need to remove this particular connector cable, and this is the fan of the laptop that you need to replace with. Just take a similar fan and so if you want to replace the speaker of this laptop, then 1 and 2, these are the two speakers that you need to remove. Take a similar speaker, these two speakers, this is the way they look. Just need to take these speakers and remove this speaker connector cable from the motherboard, and you can replace the speaker as well. So now let's fit the base back. If you've taken a new battery, then just need to put it like this. Now we need to flip it back and put the keyboard. And you have completed the upgrade and the disassembly process. So this, my friends, is a video showing you the disassembly process of the Lenovo Ideapad E41-15. In this video we showed you how to replace the battery, the RAM, the hard drive, replace it with the SSD and CMOS cell, Wi-Fi chip, the speaker, the fan, the keyboard replacement, literally everything that you want to do with your Lenovo Ideapad E41 series of laptops. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Do let us know of your suggestions and comments, and do not forget to subscribe to us and hit that bell icon. Thank you so much.